Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, but even if you have a different model, it will work as well. Now, let's explain, guys, different year but that same generation. If you open the hood in your F-150, you will notice that right under the hood, above the radiator, you have a fuse box. You open that lid, and that fuse box, guys, once you open it, it will look just like this one. Those are the fuses, the relays right here. You will be on this side facing, the relays will be towards the windshield side. Now, let's explain why it's super a good idea to always test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now let's explain, guys. If you need to buy, by the way, these fuses, relays, they could be really expensive at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. Those fuses for the transmissions could be known as a powertrain fuses, guys. Not just transmission, but powertrain fuses as well. The first one that you need to check is that 10 fuse right here in that fuse row. That's for the powertrain, guys, and the transmission right here. Then you have one that's known as fuse 53. Right here, the second one, that 5 fuse in that row. After that, you need to check fuse number 75, guys. We're talking about that 15 fuse right here. That needs to be checked as well. And then we have another one that we need to check, guys. Actually, we have 4 more fuses that we need to check. They're located inside your F-150. On the passenger side, under the glove box on the right side, if you remove the panel there, you will see the fuses where the arrow is. And when you open it, it will look just like that, guys, right here. So which fuses we need to check there? Now, first, fuse number 12 on the left side right here. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count the space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 15 fuse is one of them that you need to check. Then you need to check, guys, fuse number 18. Fuse number 18 is the one on the very bottom, 10 fuse here. After that, you're going to have fuse number 31. 1, 2, 3, third row from left to right. The second fuse, that 5 fuse, needs to be checked right there as well. You will need to check, guys, fuse number 40. Okay, fuse number 40 will be that 10 fuse right here. Check these fuses. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.